Hey there, Panthers. To complete this paragraph, one of the things you need to do is analyze context clues and also sentence structure in order to know what type of clue or what type of answer will complete the paragraph. So let's look at the first sentence here. It says from 18 blank to 18 blank. Now, those are going to be numbers. So you should have gathered from your map analysis activity, we were really only looking at two dates there for most of your questions. If you look at the column headings, you should be able to determine that you're looking for a two-digit number for each of these to complete the year. The United States expanded its borders from the blank ocean to the blank ocean. Any of the maps that you looked at, you're looking for oceans. Normally when we look at the United States, we think of an ocean to the east coast and an ocean to the west coast. So using the context clue, seeing the word ocean there is going to help you determine what goes into those spaces. Second sentence is the number of cities with more than 100,000 people grew from blank in 1800 to more than blank in 1850. We're also looking for a number or a general number to help us fill that in blank. Same thing with the next answer. It's before 1800 there were blank Native American tribes. So in your analysis questions, if I scroll up here, you can kind of look at how many American Indian tribes had native lands. So you're going to want to go back to this specific question and take the number from the 1800 and the 1850 column to help you fill in that specific blank for 1850. We're looking for the name of a river here. Obviously, the names of rivers are proper nouns, so they should also be capitalized. When Western expansion began, trail routes could take Americans blank blank. So think about that. We're talking about Western expansion. We're talking about trail routes. Is there a question that we answered that deals with trail routes? So if you go back to our information here, our research that we did, we have major cities, names of cities with more than 100,000 people, Native American lands, and then we get to this question here about trail routes. So geological features that a person could cross while traveling on trail routes. You should have an answer for 1800 and an answer for 1850. If I go back to our paragraph, it's asking me when Western expansion began. So that's going to be 1800 because of the word began. Trail routes could take Americans where? Okay, so whatever your answer was for 1800 is probably going to fit in here. And then by 1850, it was possible to travel across the... So now you're going to go to your second column for your map analysis. Geological features that a person could cross while traveling on trail routes. So your answer for 1850 is probably going to fit nicely into this space here. And you can see here, because of the commas, it's probably going to be a list of places. Also, in our next sentence, also during this 50-year period, we can use that information to help us fill in, to double check that our information prior is correct. If we're talking about a 50-year period, the gap between this year and this year should probably be around 50 years. The number of canals went from blank to blank. And if we go back to our research questions, you'll see that the number of canals is one of our next question in order. So how many major canals were there, of course, in 1800 and then in 1850? That should help us fill in those blanks. And also the number of railroads. Those answers are going to be taken from this final question. So hopefully you'll be able to use those context clues to help you determine if the answer is a number, if it's a list of information, if it's a proper noun, if it's the name of an ocean. That's what we're going for here. And then finally, you kind of have to read through your paragraph once you're done to come up with what the big idea is. As you can see, the era of Western expansion was what? What happened during this 50-year period? Were borders expanding, or were borders getting smaller? Were cities growing, or were cities getting smaller? Were there new forms of transportation? Were people crossing new geographic areas or fewer geographic areas? Was there conflict going on? Or were people able to move freely? You kind of want to draw upon those big ideas that we've mentioned in the paragraph to help yourself compose a closing sentence here. And of course, once you're done with this, you can always check your paragraph within the See the Teacher section or visit your teacher during office hours.